पर्यावरण के साथ अपने इकोसिस्टम के संवर्धन के प्रति अपने सामाजिक दायित्व को निभाते हुए हैशटैग धरती की आवाज के ब्रीदवाक्य के साथ DY पाटिल क्लाइमेट एक्शन लैब, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नवी मुंबई जॉय ऑफ गिविंग और नवी मुंबई महानगर पालिका द्वारा संयुक्त रूप से और मैनग्रोव सेल, NRI कोस्टल पुलिस स्टेशन, RCNM सनराइज और एनवायरमेंट लाइफ के सहयोग से विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में नेहरू स्थित DPS फ्लेमिंगो लेक में क्लीन अप ड्राइव का आयोजन किया गया, जिसकी थीम थी रिस्टोरिंग द अर्थ, जहां इस ड्राइव को गति देने के लिए DY पाटिल क्लाइमेट एक्शन लैब की फाउंडर राजलक्ष्मी विजय पाटिल मौजूद थी। इस दौरान राजलक्ष्मी विजय पाटिल ने सभी के साथ DPS लेक की सफाई कर इस अभियान को गति दी। बता दें कि करीब 200 से 300 वॉलंटियर्स के साथ खुद राजलक्ष्मी पाटिल ने DPS फ्लेमिंगो लेक के करीब परिसर की सफाई कर मैनग्रोव्स और लेक की साफ सफाई पर जोर दिया। इस दौरान सभी पर्यावरणवादियों ने इस अभियान को गति देते हुए स्वच्छता मुहिम हाथों में लेकर सभी को फ्लेमिंगो सिटी का नाम बरकरार रखने और मैनग्रोव्स के संवर्धन के साथ DPS फ्लेमिंगो लेक के संवर्धन का सभी को संदेश दिया, जहां इस अवसर पर NRI कोस्टल पुलिस स्टेशन की महिला पुलिसकर्मी भी मौजूद थी। इस दौरान राजलक्ष्मी विजय पाटिल ने नवी मुंबई नेटवर्क से बात करते हुए क्लीन अप ड्राइव का मकसद बताते हुए कहा कि ये हर नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी है कि वे ऐसे इनिशिएटिव में भाग लेकर अपने पर्यावरण का संवर्धन करें, क्योंकि ये हमारी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी है।
So DCAL stands for the DY Patil Climate Action Lab, and this is something that I came up with around 2-3 years ago. And I think the idea behind DCAL was that very often we undermine the role higher education institutions like ours can play in combating the issues related to the environment and climate change. And I truly believe that colleges and universities in India, they can really contribute a massive amount to fighting environmental issues, and this is where the idea of DCAL essentially came. So this is a cleanliness drive that DCAL has organized in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai and the NMMC, and so we have around, I'd say around like 200-300 students and volunteers who have come and to clean the lake, the Flamingo Lake of Navi Mumbai. And I feel like it's very important for all of us to come together and protect our habitat, because these areas are very crucial in supporting ecosystems and different species, and it's very important for us. That's why we have come here today, because it's our moral duty and responsibility to clean our home, which is our earth.
इतना ही नहीं, इस दौरान उन्होंने आगे कहा कि शहर को बेहतर और साफ सुथरा बनाने की जिम्मेदारी हर एक नागरिक की है।
Make Navi Mumbai a better place. I already feel it's such a great place. I've done a bunch of cleanups across Mumbai, and surprisingly it is quite clean. We're literally struggling to find waste, but more than that, I think it's about sensitization, this whole event that we're doing. But some of the ways in which you can make your area more cleaner, and Navi Mumbai particularly, is obviously taking part in cleanups and initiatives like this, and also individually changing your lifestyle, being more responsible, not littering, and supporting DCAL's initiatives. We've been doing a lot of initiatives across Mumbai, and particularly Navi Mumbai. Like we've done a green pharmacy project where we've recycled pharmaceutical waste. We've also done a lot of tree plantations. So these are just some ways in which you can protect the environment, but also being conscious about your own individual actions, I think is very important.
वहीं उन्होंने विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस की थीम का जिक्र करते हुए कहा कि इस दिन यूनिसेफ के सहयोग से DY पाटिल द्वारा पैनल डिस्कशन का आयोजन किया गया है।
On the 5th of June, we all know it's World Environment Day, and this year's UN theme is about land restoration, desertification, and ecosystem restoration. So we are hosting a panel discussion in on the 5th of June at the DY Patil University. And we also have an event with the UNICEF India team where we will be educating our students about the importance of conserving the environment. And also, we're having a lot of environmentalists joining us for the panel discussion who will be sharing their insights about protecting our environment, about biodiversity, and sustainability.
वहीं रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नवी मुंबई जॉय ऑफ गिविंग के प्रतिनिधि ने कहा कि हमारा मकसद है कि बर्ड्स के साथ इकोसिस्टम को प्रोटेक्ट करना।
ये जो लेक है, ये लेक फ्लेमिंगोज का डीपीएस फ्लेमिंगोज हैबिटेट नेचुरल हैबिटेट है। ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दिस इज बीइंग डिस्ट्रॉयड बिकॉज ऑफ नॉन सप्लाई ऑफ creek water. Saline water is needed by the birds for their food and for their habitat, but this is being destroyed over a period of years. We NMPS have fought a case and won it, and as per the court directive of High Court Justice Oak, this lake has to be protected by SITCO and NMC, but it has not been happening for last 2-3 years, and that is why we have taken up the cause. It happened in April that 14 birds were they damaged their wings, and we lost 8 birds. After that, this drive we have been involving all the departments, NMC and others. Then we got to get in connect with DY Patil. We had done a wetland day program with them. So Mrs. Vidya and Raj Lakshmi madam, who have joined a DCAL, which is a DY Patil climate action lab which has been formed. We associated with them, and we thought of involving the youth to clean up the lake, because unless and until this lake is clean, even if the water is there, there is suffering for the birds. So this cleanup drive we initiated along with DCAL and DY Patil, members of Navi Mumbai Environment Preservation, residents of NRI, NMMC, Forest Department, Police Department. They have all joined today. We have almost gathered around 200 people. Thanks to DCAL, largely the number of people have been coming from there. The residents have also come up. The purpose of this drive is that first of all there should be awareness that we have to keep the habitat of the birds neat and clean. If their habitat is not maintained, we will be losing this habitat. Navi Mumbai is a city of flamingos. It has so happened that it will be only in the name, and there will be no flamingos here. So to save those birds and their environment, we have done a drive. What is appealing to me and which is quite heartening is DCAL, the thought of Madam Raj Lakshmi Patil. This is a wonderful initiative. We are very excited to associate with them, and we will not make it a one-time exercise. We will be doing it a regular practice to clean up the habitats and return to the keep the mother earth in its own original form.
वहीं रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नवी मुंबई जॉय ऑफ गिविंग ने DY पाटिल क्लाइमेट एक्शन लैब की फाउंडर राजलक्ष्मी पाटिल का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए कहा कि इस इनिशिएटिव के पीछे हमारा मकसद है कि इस प्रकार के क्लीन अप ड्राइव के जरिए बर्ड के साथ इकोसिस्टम को प्रोटेक्ट करना।
As I've already told you, we are very thankful and very inspired. At such a young age, Raj Lakshmi ji has got a thought of DCAL. DY Patil is associating and creating awareness. As I have already said, that youth is the hope for environment. And with this initiative, we caught this initiative, and we were excited to be a part of to partner DY Patil and DCAL in this exercise, because we want youth to be involved and to carry this further, because it is their earth from here on. We will be there for another 20 years, but they will be here for plus 80 years. So we wish them that they should carry this task, and I just cannot have words enough to thank DY Patil, DCAL and Raj Lakshmi ji and Vidya madam for giving us an opportunity and partnering with us.
Firstly, thank you so much for your kind words, and the DY Patil Climate Action Lab and the DY Patil University. We're very happy to be collaborating with the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai. I think it's only through these collaborations and working together as a society we can really make meaningful and tangible change and really create an impact in this world. A lot of people feel like initiatives like this, they don't really make a difference, but I feel like every individual effort counts, and I feel like if we come together as a society and we have more, I think we should definitely keep doing this more often. It should not be a one-time thing. And I've said this before, this is not doing anyone a favor. It's not doing me a favor, Decal a favor, or the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai a favor. I think it's our moral duty as citizens of our country and also as human beings of this planet Earth. We have only one Earth, and I think it's super important to take the responsibility, come out here and actually clean your home.
वहीं इस अवसर पर क्लीन अप ड्राइव में सहभागी हुए नागरिकों और पर्यावरणवादियों ने भी लेक बचाओ का नारा दिया।
और मैं यहाँ पे 2001 से रेजिडेंट हूँ। 2008 में हमने यहाँ पर फ्लामिंगोस को सबसे पहले देखा, ठीक है। उसके बाद 2012 में हमने डीपीएस लेक जो आपके सामने है ये बनता हुआ देखा, क्योंकि यहाँ से जब कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ तो यहाँ पे डिगिंग हुई तो ये डीपीएस लेक बन गया। जब ये ऑटोमेटिकली डीपीएस लेक बन गया, इसमें फ्लैमिंगोज आने शुरू हो गए। लेकिन सिडको का अपना लालच में कि ये डीपीएस लेक आगे ना जाए और इस पे लैंड बन जाए, उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की। एनएमपीएस और अलग हमारी जो सिटीजन्स हैं, हम लोग ने उसको रोका। हमने ह्यूमन चेन बनाई थी, एक बार हमें याद है बहुत अच्छा कि हमने ह्यूमन चेन बनाई थी और इस डीपीएस लेक को रोका। फिर अब ये हाई कोर्ट प्रोटेक्टेड लेक है। अब हमारी रिक्वेस्ट यही है सिडको से कि अब जब ये एक लेक बन चुकी है जो कि एक नेचुरल लेक है जिसमें फ्लैमिंगोज अब आते हैं, ब्रीडिंग करते हैं, शैलो पानी है, उनके लिए सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर एकदम एप्ट है और आपने फ्लैमिंगो सिटी इसको घोषित किया है, तो एज ए रेजिडेंट रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ ये छोटी सी लैंड छोड़ दें और इसको फ्लैमिंगोज के लिए ही रहने दें। दैट्स आवर रिक्वेस्ट, हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, नवी नेटवर्क।